Let us see how routing works in React. For routing to work, you need to install React Router. So open your command prompt, navigate to your project folder and type npm install React Router and save it inside your package.json as dev dependency. Hit enter. So we now have installed React Router package. Here, right here. Okay. And let's keep this app as it is and let's create a new routing app. Save it as routing app.jsx. Replace app with routing app. Save it and let's test if it's working fine. So type in npm run wp watch script to run webpack in watch mode. So it has bundled the application. Let's refresh. Yeah, routing app. Okay. Routing basically is based on different URL paths, like let's say /home or /products or /contact. Based on the URL path, the application navigates to respective component. There's a different components that are tied up with each of these paths. So let's see how it works in React. First off, you need to import the following components from React Router that we have installed. By default, the path would be single slash, and for this we want to load a component called, let's say, home, which we will implement in a bit. And then when user navigates to, let's say, /products, we want to display the component called products. This is an attribute for the router called history, and it takes in a hash history value, which basically generates random alphanumeric number to keep track of history when the user navigates back and forward in the browser. Okay, let's go ahead and create these two components. Same way, let's create the product page. Save it. Save. And since we are using home and products, let's import it. Save it. Make sure there are no errors. Open your browser. Refresh. So there it is. By default, the path would be slash, and this is the random value that gets generated using hash history. Now let's try giving products here, which is this value, and should take us to products page. Hit enter. There you go. So it takes us to products page, and if you go back, it goes back to the home page based on this value. If you come forward again, it takes us to the product page. Alright. Instead of typing in home and products here in the address bar, let's give the user an option like an href, on click of which it should navigate to the respective paths, home or product. Okay, and for that we need to wrap the entire thing in a container, and on top we need to give the navigation URL hrefs, and below that we need to display the respective component like home or products.